Hey, welcome back, and continuing our job from last night, I'm just going to run down and get the rest of that lumber that we bucked up last night to bring up here and put it in the wood yard. So ride along with me. What really sucks about these English ivy vines, look at them up close, that's English ivy. It's not poison ivy, it's English ivy. And out here, it's as bad as Virginia kudzu. It's crawling over everything, it kills trees. It's over all that stuff there. And it's just nasty and it's tough to get rid of. All right, back to the house. buddy, look at all that wood. Okay, so that's it. I just thought you might want to ride along in that quick little trip to get the rest of that wood that I bucked up yesterday. Had to grab that chainsaw at the last minute. Wasn't really prepared for that. Didn't have any PPE on, but I tried to be quick and careful. I guess in my haste yesterday, I didn't completely buck all that wood. So, of course, all those vines, they don't help either. And if you notice at the end of the video there, I slowed down the, I'm going to slow down the ultra fast speed so you can see the house and some of the cool stuff in the yard. House is 1832 Federalist style manor house here in historic St. Mary's City. So one of these days we're gonna do a house tour and do a couple neat things with the house on here. So anyway, I appreciate you riding along with me tonight. My wife is over on one of our pieces of property hunting right now, bow hunting, and I'm working. So I just got done cleaning the chicken coop, getting this wood, and I'm gonna go who knows what. I might do a Durango cabin air filter video if I've got enough energy. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Please like, please subscribe, please share with your friends. Comment below if you have any video suggestions. I'll be more than happy to try to knock them out. And as always, keep getting after it.